My name is Angakara. Welcome to the AMS Public Speaking Talent Competition. Because you have your script, you know what you're going to say. Nobody's heard it before. So one thing you can do is simply pause.
Hold on 1 second, Justin. Our paws on the ground are telling us
oxygen is the main cause of death.
This has caused some controversy with some of the public.
We'll notify you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Now it's time for the children to present. I'm really excited to hear what they've come up with. Each of them will go onto the stage and present a 2 minutes story or speech. And we'll be judging in 4 different categories. 2 nervous young boys. Nervous. Oh, I like that.
How many of you are willing to admit that this isn't good for you?
If a smartphone is smart, how is it making you more smart? Isn't it making you less independent?
I'd like you all to close your eyes for a moment and picture not having your mother with you.
You brought something different, something unique. Whatever result you got today is a step forward in terms of your public speaking experience. In first place, it is Afri and Rory. Yusuf Mushahid.
And also, I am first place.
I never thought I'd get this far. When I was little, I wasn't very good at talking.
I didn't think I would win.
Every day since last Thursday has been one where I felt nervous every day, and alhamdulillah, I feel so happy that I've won this.
I say mashallah to all of the schools, they did so well.
It's been such a wonderful day, Allahumma barak, listening to all the children. Alhamdulillah, I think they've benefited a lot.
And it's been an honour to host you here, so I look forward to hosting more AMS events, inshallah.